In this question, it is given that let a tangent to the curve y square equal to 24x meets the curve xy equal to 2 at the points A and B, then the midpoints of such line segments AB lie on a parabola with the, you have to find the correct choice. To understand the meaning of the question, first let us draw the graph of parabola y square equal to 24x and hyperbola xy equal to 2 on the same coordinate axis. That is, this is y square equal to 24x and xy equal to 2. This graph is this, you must be knowing it. According to question, we draw tangent at any point to the parabola. Say this point is P, and suppose this tangent cuts the hyperbola at 2 points A and B. And according to question, it is given that locus of midpoint of AB is a parabola, and for that parabola you have to find the correct choice. Drawing the figure again, this is the parabola whose equation is y square equal to 24x, and these two are the branches of hyperbola whose equation is xy equal to 2, and you have to find the locus of midpoint of AB. According to standard formula, comparing it with the standard formula of hyperbola xy equal to c square, we get c equal to root 2, and we know that any point on this hyperbola can be taken as ct1 comma c by t1, and keeping this concept in mind, the point A can be taken as root 2 t1 and root 2 upon t1, and this point can be taken as root 2 t2 and root 2 upon t2. As we have to find the locus of midpoint of AB, I suppose the midpoint as hk, then h will be equal to root 2 t1 plus root 2 t2 by 2, and k will be equal to root 2 upon t1 plus root 2 upon t2 by 2. That is, I can say t1 plus t2 is equal to root 2h, and 1 by t1 plus 1 by t2 will be root 2k. And from standard formula, for the hyperbola xy equal to c square, we know that equation of the line joining 2 points ct1 c by t1 and ct2 c by t2, equation of the line joining these 2 points is x plus t1 t2 into y equal to c into t1 plus t2. And we know this standard formula also, that for the parabola y square equal to 4ax, the line y equal to mx plus lambda will touch this parabola if lambda is equal to a by m. Keeping all these concepts in mind, I will be proceeding further. Using this formula, I can say that the equation of AB can be written as x plus t1 t2 into y equal to root 2 into t1 plus t2. which can be written as y equal to minus 1 by t1 tx plus root 2 into t1 plus t2 upon t1 t2. And keeping this formula in mind that the line y equal to mx plus lambda touches this parabola if lambda equal to a by m, as this line is touching the parabola, touching this parabola, hence root 2 into t1 plus t2 upon t1 plus t2 is equal to 6 by minus 1 by t1 t2. Note that this 6 has come because the equation of parabola is y square equal to 24x, and comparing it with y square equal to 4ax, the value of a becomes 6. And now with the help of this equation, I will be finding the relation between h and k, because I have to find the locus of midpoint of AB, and locus of midpoint of AB I have supposed is HK. Let us name this point as C. That is, you have to find the locus of the point C. C has x coordinate this, y coordinate this. This is equal to root 2 into t1 plus t2 is equal to minus 6 t1 t2 whole square. And with the help of this, I will find the relation between h and k. For this, I will have to convert t1 plus t2 and t1 t2 in terms of h and k. It is clear from here that t1 plus t2 is root 2h, and using this I can say root 2k equal to 1 by t1 plus 1 by t2. That is, root 2k is equal to t1 plus t2 upon t1 t2. That is, root 2k is equal to root 2h upon t1 t2. That is, I get t1 t2 equal to h upon k. And now I will be using t1 plus t2 as root 2h and t1 t2 as h upon k in this to find the relation between h and k. I get root 2 into root 2h equal to minus 6 h upon k whole square. And proceeding further, I get k square equal to minus 3h. We are allowed to divide by h because h is sure to be non-zero, because it is clear from the symmetry of the figure that C point can never lie on y-axis. Hence h is sure to be non-zero. Therefore, we are allowed to divide by h. I get this thing, that is the locus is y square equal to minus 3x. And for the parabola y square equal to minus 3x, comparing it with standard formula y square equal to minus 4ax, I can say a is 3 by 4. That is, graph of this will be this parabola, whose directrix will be x equal to a. That is, for this parabola, directrix is x equal to 3 by 4, and length of lateral septum is 4a, that is 3. Therefore, first choice is the correct choice. And for second alternative solution, I'll be using a formula, and that formula you must have studied while doing practice of JEE level questions. Still, for clarity purpose, I'm revising that formula, and that formula says that if for some conic, parabola, hyperbola or ellipse, anyone, if for a chord AB, midpoint is known to you, then the equation of AB is given by the formula T equal to S1. You must be knowing that the expression of T we get from the formula of tangent, and the expression of S1 we get by writing H for X and K for Y in the equation of conic. This formula is just for remembering purpose. Still, if you have not understood, I'm going to use this formula in this question. And the second formula which I will be using in this solution, and that formula I have already told in the previous alternative. Still, I'm telling you again that y equal to mx plus c touches the parabola y square equal to 4ax if c equal to a by m. And suppose the midpoint of AB has a coordinate c equal to hk. Then according to the formula T equal to S1, equation of AB with the help of equation of hyperbola xy equal to 2, we get kx plus hy by 2 minus 2 is equal to hk minus 2. That is kx plus hy is equal to 2hk. That is y equal to minus k by h into x plus 2k. And because this is the equation of AB and AB is tangent for the parabola y square equal to 24x, hence this line will be touching the parabola. If using the formula I get 2k equal to a by m. A is 6 by m is minus k by h. Note that we are using the equation of parabola as y square equal to 24x, hence a is 6. That is, I can say k square equal to minus 3x, that is y square equal to minus 3x as the equation of locus. And for this locus, it is very easy to see, as I told in the previous way also, that first choice is the correct choice.